gorgeous in here.
Sheep Creek is looking real nice down there to the right.
It's pretty and white. There isn't even like dirty sand on the road.
Yeah, it's all sparkly too. Beautiful.
Yeah, I was just thinking that too.
Okay, so we are not on the road to past the landfill, but this is going up Sheep Creek. So what do you want to do? You want to keep going, check it out?
Yeah, this is a nice road. It's pretty. Let's keep going.
Agreed.
It is pretty.
This is so nice.
This is so beautiful.
This is awesome in here.
I love these trees hanging on the road for these rock balls. They're so cute.
Yeah, it's so beautiful. Hedgehog Creek. Very cool.
Very cool. Aren't they cool? Look at the ice one on the sides there. I think it might be this way. You got it.
The sunlight dances on the balcony as I wait for thee to come home. I fumble my words, yeah, my mind's a mess when you're in that dress. Glad you're home. Will you stay with me and never leave? You walked into my life and I am glad you came, glad you came. When you're not around, I've been broken. Glad you came, glad you came. I was lost till I fell in your eyes. Had me wondering why I feel like home. I hold you close so you're by my side till the end of time. Before we go, will you stay with me and never leave? You walked into my life and I am glad you came, glad you came. When you're not around, I've been broken. Glad you came.